E ri te tonu ana te tono a tētahi whānau Māori kia arotake anō te toa KiwiYo whangārei i tana kaupapa here mo te āhua o te mihi a ana kaimahi ki te tangata, engari auware ake. I wehe atu a Monet-Mei Clarke i tana mahi i taua toa rā, whai muri ho i te au katinga a taua toa, i tana mihi Kia Ora ki ngā kiritaki. Hei tā Clarke e tino pauri ana ia kāri ia i tukuna kia mihi ki ngā kiritaki i roto i te reo o ona mātua tūpuna. Anei rā Araniere Harrison.
Horekau te rangatira o te KiwiYo i whāngarei, a Margaret Lang, mo te whakapuare ki tēnei take.
She wanted me to say hello or hi, how are you, have you been to KiwiYo before? And yes, I did use it, and maybe once or twice I said Kia Ora, but the one time she did hear me, she pulled me up for it and said I couldn't say it.
I raru katoa a Monet-Mei Clarke, whai muri i te whakataua tōna pōhi i KiwiYo i whāngarei nei, ka kore e tāia e ia te pōhiri mai i ngā tāngata ki te mihi, Kia Ora.
I have nothing further to say to you. Thank you, please leave.
I was definitely surprised because I've been growing up with this language since I was a baby, since I came out. Papa said Kia Ora to me, and so did my mama.
The kia ora, would it affect her job? He tona mahi, and ki aia, it would affect her work.
Horekau tonu a Clarke i te mārama ki te tino pūtaketanga mai o enei momo mahi. Ahakoa te reka o ngā kaikai enei toa huri noa i te motu, ko tā rātou kaupapa reo Māori, he kawa.
I was disappointed and it kind of felt like I was stepped on, like my mana and my language and everything was stepped on, even my tikanga.
E rika tonu ana te whānau Clarke, i runga anō i te huri koaro mai a te kamupene KiwiYo ki tēnei take.
We spoke to the head office and we asked them as well what was their stance on it, and they had the same thing, that no, it was hello, welcome to KiwiYo, and we even offered, say, a review. Would they review this? We offered them twice and no.
It's really uncomfortable for me knowing that they didn't allow it, and I wanted to stand up and say, well, this is not right.
Mā wai e hiki tēnei manuka?
Getting told that I can't say Kia Ora, it's kind of heartbreaking to me, to be honest.
Kia puta Monet-Mei Clarke, Kia Ora, ko ia. Araniere Harrison, te Karere.